Welcome back to Rajeshwari Deals. Today, we are diving into a revolutionary hair tool, the Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol hair straightener. If you're tired of the traditional hair straighteners that leave your hair frizzy or dry, this one might be your game changer. With its cutting-edge technology, this hair straightener promises sleek, shiny hair in less time, all while preserving the health of your strands. Stick around to find out why it's worth every penny and how it stands out in the world of hair styling. Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol hair straightener, bright nickel bright copper. The Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol hair straightener is a premium product meticulously engineered for both efficiency and top-notch performance, distinguishing itself from other straighteners in the market with its groundbreaking design that incorporates Dyson's pioneering airwrap trademark symbol technology, which leverages high-velocity airflow rather than relying on the harsh, extreme heat typically associated with traditional straighteners, resulting in a revolutionary styling method that not only delivers faster and more precise results but also significantly reduces heat damage, ensuring that your hair maintains its natural health and shine, leaving it looking smoother, shinier, and far less frizzy, making it the ideal tool for anyone who seeks to achieve salon-quality results at home while minimizing long-term damage from excessive heat exposure. Airflow technology is equal to healthier hair. The Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol hair straightener features unique airflow plates that glide smoothly through your hair, reducing friction and heat damage. Its lightweight design ensures easy handling, even for longer sessions. With 3 heat settings and 2 airflow speeds, it offers customizable styling for all hair types. 3 heat settings vertical bar 2 airflow speeds. So, how does it work exactly? Unlike conventional hair straighteners that rely on flat plates and high heat to straighten hair, the Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol uses a combination of controlled airflow and lower heat to gently straighten and style your hair without compromising its health. You'll notice that it doesn't leave your hair flat or lifeless. Instead, it creates a smooth, natural shine while reducing frizz. Whether you have thick, curly, or fine hair, this tool adapts to your needs, making it incredibly versatile. Smooth, shiny, frizz-free hair. Now, let's get into the real magic, styling. Watch as I style my hair using the Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol hair straightener. I'll show you how quickly and efficiently it works without needing to pass over the same section multiple times. You'll notice how effortlessly the tool glides through the hair, transforming frizzy, unruly strands into smooth, polished hair within minutes. Notice how the heat settings and airflow are adjustable so you can tailor the styling experience based on your hair's needs. Watch as the transformation happens. Let's compare the Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol with traditional straighteners. Most traditional hair straighteners use high, direct heat, which can leave your hair dry, damaged, and flat. The Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol doesn't rely on extreme heat. Instead, it uses airflow to straighten hair with much less heat, keeping your hair's natural moisture and shine intact. You can clearly see the difference in hair texture when comparing the two side by side. Less heat is equal to healthier hair. At a price of $45,898, the Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol hair straightener is certainly an investment. But when you consider its advanced technology, the results it delivers, and how much healthier your hair feels after each use, it's a worthwhile investment for those who value hair care. Remember, you're not just paying for a straightener, you're paying for a tool that protects and enhances the health of your hair over time. Investment in hair health. So, if you're ready to upgrade your hair game and invest in a tool that truly takes care of your hair, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Dyson Airstrait trademark symbol hair straightener today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a review like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Rajeshwari Deals.